If you change nothing, nothing will change. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Nadia. Happy Sunday guys. Guys, remember how last week I was freezing? I had my robe on last Sunday guys. The temperature was like under 50. Today is like 90 degrees guys. It's really hot, but we're gonna get this video done, okay? So guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be cooking for you guys. I'm gonna be cooking what we call in Jamaica Dutty Gyal, which is mackerel in tomato sauce. And I'm gonna use my TeDivina sachet guys, the dried tea bag. I'm gonna use that to season. I'm gonna use that leftover herbs, all that good stuff from the tea. I am going to use it to season my Dutty Gyal, all right? So guys, make sure to stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly guys, subscribe. All right, catch you later. Okay guys, so here I have my mackerel in tomato sauce. In Jamaica we call this Dutty Gyal. So here are the ingredients that I'm gonna use to season my mackerel in tomato sauce. So I have my red onions here, tomato, and red bell pepper. And I do have an additional tomato here in case I need more. And then I'm gonna cook with my extra virgin olive oil. And guys, guess what this is? Guess what this is, guys? This is now my new meat seasoning. So guys, this is the leftovers, the tea bag from the TeDivina tea. If you guys check out my video from last week, you'll see the bag, the sachet, and when you let the bag dry, after a couple days, you open up the bag, the sachet, and this is what you get. This is what you get, guys, and you can use this as seasoning or flavor for your food. So guys, in the past, I would use my Trader Joe's 21 seasoning salute. This thing is amazing, guys. But now, I don't have to use that anymore. I can use this. And then we have my Himalayan pink salt, my parsley, smoked paprika, and red pepper, cayenne red pepper. Guys, for me to enjoy mackerel in tomato sauce, it needs to be well seasoned. It has to be cooked. I know it's already cooked, but for me to enjoy it, it needs to be well seasoned and spicy for me to thoroughly enjoy it. All right guys, and of course when we're done, we're gonna have it with some toasted bread, some lettuce, some my leftover avocado here, and I think I'm gonna have some more tomatoes, sliced tomatoes. All right guys, let's begin. So guys, I just went ahead and cut up my veggies for you guys so the video won't be too long. Okay guys, so I'm just cutting up the rest of some more tomatoes. Guys, me personally, I love cooking with a lot of seasoning. Tomatoes, onions, bell peppers, you name it. I just love cooking with a lot of fresh vegetables. All right, so, and I'm just gonna add some more bell pepper. And let's get our oil. That should be enough. And I'm just gonna gonna let the oil spread. And I think I'm gonna use some more onions, guys. Some more red onions. When I'm cooking Dutty Gyal, I have to have onions, guys. More than anything else, I need a bunch of onions. All right, that should be enough. So I'm done with my onions, my tomatoes, and my bell pepper. And we have some chopped garlic. Yes, guys, I love the garlic. Can't do without the garlic. So, yeah, I don't want the oil too hot because, well, it needs to be hot enough, but we don't want it overly hot because I am using extra virgin olive oil. So it's a very delicate oil, guys. Like, I rarely cook with it, but today I decided, you know what, let's give the grapeseed oil a break and let's just go ahead and cook with some extra virgin olive oil. Isn't she looking pretty? Look at this, guys. My tomatoes, my red onions, my bell peppers. So nice. All right, so our oil is hot. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add all our seasoning. Guys, I can already smell like the flavor. Oh my God, the flavor of the onions. Smells so good, guys. Red onions are my favorite. I feel like they just have that extra kick to them. And man, it's so good. So while that's all that is sauteing, I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna open up our tin mackerel. So I'm just gonna pop that open. And guys, it's nice and red and thick. This guys is not my favorite to eat, I'm gonna be honest, but when I feel for it, I go ahead and I cook it. And like I said, it has to be really spicy for me to really enjoy it. So this is the day. All right, so my vegetables are sauteing very nicely. And I'm gonna go ahead now and add my garlic. Gonna stir that in there. And now guys, for the star of the show, we are going to go ahead and we're gonna add our Dutty Gyal. So guys, this is one can. It's pretty small. As you can see, it's pretty small. So that's just gonna be one serving for myself. And we want the rest of this goodness in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my alkaline water. And I'm just gonna catch some water in here. And shake it up a little bit. And guys, before I started, I did sanitize this container, okay? All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add all our seasoning. So I'm gonna add some smoked paprika. And some parsley. And now we're gonna add some salt to taste, because guys, this is already cooked, so you don't have to add a lot of salt. But guys, don't do what I do, okay? I like, this is pink Himalayan salt. This is really good salt.
So guys, I know it looks like I'm using a lot of salt, but I promise you, it was perfect to taste.
Okay? And got to have the red pepper, guys. Have to use the red pepper. And I use a lot because I like my Dutty Gyal spicy. All right, that should be good. And guys, I just eyeball everything, okay? I just go ahead and I just eyeball everything. And it's getting a little bit thick, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to this, and I'm gonna show you guys how it's looking in a little bit, okay? And now I'm gonna add my TeDivina seasoning. So just guys, just not a handful, but use your judgment. Okay, that should be good. And I'm gonna get some water. Guys, this is looking so good right now. So good. So good. And I think I can add a little bit more of my TeDivina seasoning. All right, guys, so this is looking real good. Guys, here is my Dutty Gyal up close and personal. Isn't she pretty? I'm just gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna cover her. And guys, she's pretty much done cooking. I'm gonna put it on low, put it on like 2. And yeah, guys, just 2 more minutes. And so that all the seasoning I've used, everything will just soak in beautifully. Okay guys, here we have the final finished product. We have our lettuce and tomatoes, our avocado looking really pretty, green and pretty, our toasted bread, and guys, look at the mackerel in tomato sauce, guys. Look at her. Isn't she a beauty? So guys, yeah, this is my lunch for this Sunday afternoon. I hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.
If you guys want to see more of these videos, comment down below guys and let me know your thoughts. Thank you.